If you think your monthly AA bill is high now, you're running into a hidden business trap. Most people are paying 400% more than they should for tools like Claude, ChatGPT, all because of a single word you've probably ignored: tokenomics. In this video, I'll explain what tokenomics actually means, why AI spending is becoming harder to manage, and what smart teams are doing to keep costs under control. Number 1. What is even tokenomics? Tokenomics is a brand new word. It was officially named at a conference in San Diego on June 8, 2026. It simply means a token is the smallest unit of AI. Every word you type, every word AI outputs, all of it is measured in tokens. Tokenomics is the discipline of how do you turn money into tokens efficiently? How do you make sure those tokens are actually creating business value? And who is responsible when they don't? Before tokenomics had a name, nobody was asking those questions. Companies just let AI tools run, and the bills showed up, and nobody knew why. So, why exactly did this bill explode if the price per token went down? Number 2, why bills keep growing even as costs fall? At first glance, this doesn't make sense. Token prices fell 98% between 2022 and 2025. 98%. That's almost free. But enterprises A bills tripled in 2026. How? Because consumption exploded faster than the price drop. Here's the number that explains it. Individual developer token usage grew 18.6 times in just 9 months. Not 18.6%, 18.6 times. And now AI agents are automated systems that run without humans. And that systems are using tokens at a scale no human ever could. One AI agent doing one task can use more tokens in an hour than a developer used to use in a week. The analogy one CFO used, it is like when telecom companies let you try unlimited calls for free to get you hooked. And now you're logged in and the bill has arrived. So the bill arrived, but why is it hard to track? This is where the FinOps problem comes in. Number 3, why AI costs are hard to track. Here's why companies are shocked every month. Most finance teams can see layer 1, the invoice from OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google. But the real cost has 9 layers. Layer 1, model API calls, the visible bill. Layer 2, vector databases, storing AI memory. Layer 3, pre-processing your data before AI reads it. Layer 4, storing AI outputs. Layer 5, the GPU infrastructure running your models. Layer 6, monitoring whether AI is working correctly. Layer 7, compliance costs for running AI in regulated regions. Layer 8, human labor reviewing AI outputs. Layer 9, the waste, failed runs, hallucinations, and shadow AI teams running unauthorized tools you don't even know about. Most FinOps teams have visibility into layer 1. Layers 2 through 9 are invisible. That's where the overspend lives. Now you understand why the bill is what it is. Here's how industry is trying to fix this. Number 4, the Tokenomics Foundation. On June 8, 2026, the Linux Foundation announced the Tokenomics Foundation. Think of it like this. In 2012, the cloud bill were just as chaotic. Companies couldn't track what they were spending on AWS, who was using what, why. Then FinOps was born, a framework and discipline for managing cloud costs. The Tokenomics Foundation is doing the same thing for AI tokens. Companies are already behind it. Google, Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, Salesforce, SAP, JP Morgan Chase, KPMG, and more. The goal: common standards for measuring AI cost, shared language for token billing, benchmarks so you can compare what you're spending against what you should be spending. Right now, there are no standards. Every AI provider bills differently. Priceline is already finding that what vendors report doesn't match their own internal data. The Tokenomics Foundation is the industry saying enough. Number 5, what smart companies are doing today. You don't need to wait for the foundation. Here's what teams getting this right are doing today. They know their token budget before the month starts, not after the invoice arrives. Before. They use model routing, simple tasks to go cheaper models automatically. Complex tasks to go to frontier model. The routing happens without a human deciding each time. They set harder limits. Priceline placed token caps on specific teams. Not as punishment, as guardrails. They measure value per token. The question isn't how many tokens did we use. It is what did those tokens produce. They treat AI spend like headcount. Every AI agent running in your company is consuming resources like an employee. If you wouldn't let an employee run unsupervised, don't let an AI agent run unmonitored. The companies that get this right will have a structural cost advantage over every competitor who doesn't. If this was valuable, subscribe and watch this video next to get the latest update on AI.